Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 16th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the pound yen, I mean, we've been going down pretty hard, but I'm still, because of the higher time frames, the daily, weekly, monthly, I am still looking at this move down as likely just a pullback to this move up. Now, which Fibonacci level it's going to respect, I think it's either going to be the 50 or the 60, but it could be the 78% also. I just know that when it does make a nice fib bounce, that nice break on maybe the 1 hour time frame, that definitely would be the long opportunity that I would be searching for. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, there's definitely no reason to go long yet. We definitely don't have a break of structure. We definitely don't have a nice Fibonacci bounce with a nice engulfing move up yet. If it goes down and takes out these lows, turns up and breaks structure, that's what I'd be looking for. Or if it goes down to the next level, makes like a double bottom and then a break of structure, that also would be what I would be looking for an entry to go long. All the higher time frames, daily, weekly, monthly time frames are still technically in an uptrend. So if I see a nice Fibonacci bounce at any one of these levels, nice engulfing up, nice break of structure, then that definitely would be an entry for me to go long, potentially for the continuation of those higher time frame uptrends. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.